约会翻成英语太简单了，是 appointment。
应该是英语菜鸟，约会的意思就是 meeting。
你们俩都不对，是 date。
三个傻子，你听我讲，约会翻成英语是 get together。
到底怎么回事？你100%翻译错，约会这个单词。What's going on, everyone? 我是麦克老师。Welcome back to another episode. My voice sounds a little weird. It's because I'm recovering from a cough. 我儿子上托班了，每天带他班里的病毒带回家。Anyway, I'm feeling better, but if you want me to fully recover, then you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel. And if you don't like this video, I might be sick forever. 约会 is a word I often hear mistranslated into English. 英语真的太麻烦了。Have no fear, 我们来上课，搞定这个问题。One of the reasons why this word is confused a lot is because in English, there are some words we use that are nouns only, some that are verbs only, and some that are nouns and verbs. For example, appointment. Appointment. This should only be used as a noun. We use the word appointment when we need to meet with some kind of professional to deal with something. Feeling sick? You better call the doctor and make an appointment. Is your car broken? You'd better make an appointment to get it fixed. I need to get a haircut. I'm gonna call and make an appointment today. So how exactly do you make an appointment in English?
So easy.
Hello? Yes, I would like to make an appointment, please. Do you have any appointments available on Wednesday? No? How about Thursday? What times are available? 10 a.m. or 3 p.m. Let's do 3 p.m. on Thursday.
Bye-bye.
I'm just going to call and confirm my appointment. Yes, I'd like to confirm my appointment for Thursday at 3 p.m. I'm sorry, I need to change my appointment from Thursday to Friday. I'm sorry, I need to cancel my appointment. I'm terribly sorry, but now I need to reschedule my appointment.
I missed the appointment.
Speaking of appointments, have you made your appointment for the Lingoda language sprint yet? A quick thanks to the sponsor of this video, Lingoda. For the first time ever, the Lingoda Super Sprint is sold out. It's the one where you can get 100% of your money back if you complete it all. However, the regular sprint is still available. If you complete the regular Lingoda language sprint, you can still get a 50% cashback refund. To do the regular Lingoda language sprint, you can click the link below. It lasts for 3 months and you need to complete 15 classes each month. This is your last chance to get in on the Lingoda language sprint. It starts April 28th, but you need to sign up by April 23rd. When you click the link below, make sure you read those terms and conditions so you can get that cashback refund. You can also use the code in the description to get a discount on the first month's tuition. After you sign up, you can make an appointment and book any class you like. 40,000, yes, 40,000 students have participated in the Lingoda language sprint. And the best part is you can attend classes from anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Remember, these are small group classes with native-speaking, certified teachers. And you don't even need to choose English. You could also choose German, French, Spanish, or business English. I've been working with Lingoda for almost 3 years now. They've been my most faithful sponsor. They're the #1 most trusted European language school, and they have that German stamp of quality. Their method has been proven over and over again, and if you complete the language sprint, I guarantee you're going to boost your language fluency. Show our sponsors some love, click the link below. I think it's a great service which supplements these online videos I'm sharing with you guys. Second common translation, meeting. Meeting. Remember, in American English, we drop the t sound and use a d sound. Meeting. Meeting. This word can be a noun and a verb. We will meet tonight. We are meeting tonight is the verb use. I have a meeting is the noun use. When we use the noun form meeting, it's usually for more formal situations, often at work. Oh, my boss is making us stay late for a meeting. What time is the meeting? We'll have a meeting today at 3 p.m. in my office. When are you free for a meeting? Oh, I can't make the meeting today. Can we reschedule the meeting? When we use the verb form, it's not always clear if it's a formal or informal situation. For example, let's set a time to meet. When is a good time for us to meet? This could be a conversation between you and your boss, or you and your best friend. I'm meeting some friends later. I'm meeting my friends at the restaurant. What time are we meeting at the movie theater? What time do you want to meet? If you were to tell your friend in English, should we have a meeting tonight? Have a meeting 干嘛? Sounds like you want to have a work meeting. Should we meet at 7 p.m. is much different than saying, let's have a meeting at 7 p.m. Similar to the informal use of meet or meeting is a phrasal verb. Get together. Get together. Get together. This is most commonly used when your friends get together for an activity. My friends and I are getting together for dinner. We're getting together Friday night to watch a movie. What time do you want to get together? You could also use this in a work situation. I'm getting together with my colleague for lunch. But I'm getting together with a colleague is different than saying I'm getting together with her. The word colleague implies a work situation. The word her, it's unclear. Maybe it's a date. Date is also a noun and a verb and is used almost exclusively for romantic relationships. An exception would be, let's have a friend date tomorrow. Two friends getting together. Or you could say, those two dog owners are having a doggy date. Friends come together, their dogs play, they chat.
A doggy date.
As a verb, you could say, they have been dating for 6 months. Are you dating anyone right now? You can also use the phrasal verb go out. They have been going out for 6 months. Are you going out with anyone right now? 这个意思不是出去的意思，就是谈恋爱的意思。Let's look at some noun uses. Can I take you on a date? Will you go on a date with me? Let's go on a date. Sorry, wife. I have a date with my wife on Saturday. How do you ask someone on our date?
太紧张了。
Don't worry, it's easy. Are you busy tonight? Are you busy tomorrow night? When are you free? Are you free Thursday afternoon? Would Wednesday be all right for a coffee date? Let's go out tonight. Do you want to go out with me tonight? 这一句话 go out 就是出去的意思，但是也有 date 的意思。
哎，英语真烦。
那如果你要装逼一下你的英语，我要教大家2个单词。Engagement. Engagement. This is a great noun you can use in formal or informal situations when you don't want to reveal the details of why you're busy. I'm sorry, I can't come. I have a previous engagement.
What's he doing? Is it a meeting?
Is he sick? Does he need an appointment?
I know, he's got a date.
Maybe he's just getting together with his friends. Engagement. It's a mystery. I had to cancel my engagement, so now I can come. What time is your engagement on Saturday? There are a few limitations to this word. For example, you could never say, do you want to make an engagement with me? Let's have an engagement tomorrow. All right, the last word. 最有装逼力的英语单词 Rendezvous. 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 Actually, this is a French word. I can't really take credit for it. But we do use it in English sometimes to sound a little more sophisticated, maybe a little more romantic. It can be used as a noun or a verb. Let's check out the verb usages. Let's rendezvous at 9 p.m. We'll rendezvous at the train station tomorrow. The space station is going to rendezvous with the satellite next week. As a noun, you could say, where's the rendezvous point? Rendezvous point 就是一个固定的短语。What time is the rendezvous? Like engagement, it does have a bit of a limitation. For example, you would never say, do you want to rendezvous with me? Boom, 约会搞定了。Let me know in the comments below what other words 你100%翻译错。Can rendezvous in the comments. And don't forget to click the Lingoda link below. This is your final call for the Lingoda language sprint. Read the terms and conditions, get that cashback refund, and boost your language fluency now. Someday I hope we can all get together, but until then, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like below. I'll see you all next time. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。